Three things every LLC owner needs to know. Number one, if you have multiple members in your LLC, you always want to have an operating agreement. Now, the reason that's so important is because you always want to plan for the future. Like, for example, what happens if one of the members dies or they get a divorce? What happens to their portion? Or let's say somebody wants to sell their part of the company. Is there a process for that? So if you don't have an operating agreement, you definitely want to consult with an attorney. Now, number two, make sure you have a business bank account under the LLC name. And the reason that's so important is because you don't want to commingle your funds. You always want to keep your personal funds and the business funds completely separate because the purpose of the LLC is to protect your personal assets. And if you start commingling your funds, if you get sued, they can go after your personal assets instead of just the LLC. And finally, number three, just because you registered your name with your Secretary of State for the LLC doesn't mean you own that name. DBAs, fictitious names, and LLC names don't protect your brand. Trademarks do, so you need one.